What we'll be doing for today's lesson is compound area involving circles. Okay, the first example, how do we find the area of the following? For this example, what we need to do is split the shape up. So what two shapes have you got if you split this shape up? You split this shape up here, you have got a rectangle and a semicircle, okay? This question needs to be split into three parts to work out the total area, okay? So first we'll work out the area of the rectangle. So if we draw out the rectangle, area of the rectangle is 11 times by 7, which is 77 centimeters squared. Now we've got a semicircle. If we know this length here is 7, so this length here is going to be 7. Okay, so we draw the semicircle out now. The diameter is 7. To work out area of a circle, you need the radius. So if the diameter is 7, the radius is going to be 3.5. Okay, from the previous lesson, you should know the formula now to work out an area of a circle. It's pi times the radius squared. Because this is a semicircle, all we'll have to do is divide it by 2, because it's half of a circle. So now if you substitute your numbers into the formula, do pi times by 3.5 squared divided by 2, and 2 decimal places, the answer that you should get is 19.24 centimeters squared. So now for the last part, all you need to do is add together 77 and 19.24, and the answer that you should get is 96.24 centimeters squared. Okay, just like your previous example, I would like you to do this question on your own. Please split the shape up and answer this question in 3 parts like the previous example. Please pause this video now and have a go. Your answers will be coming up after this. Okay, the answer that you should have got is 119.3 centimeters squared. Okay, your next example is different from the previous 2. So same method, split the shape up first. What I'm going to do is I'm going to split the shape up from here. So what I have now is a quarter of a circle, and I know my radius is 5. And I have a rectangle as well. So, because I've got a quarter of a circle, to work out the area, I'm still going to use the formula pi times r squared. But now, because it's a quarter, I'm going to divide it by 4. So substitute my radius into the question. So I'll do pi times by 5 squared divided by 4. The answer that I should get to 2 decimal places is 19.63 centimeters squared. Now the area of the rectangle is 10 times 11, which is 110 centimeters squared. So all I need to do for the last step is add them both together. So I do 110 plus 19.63, and the answer that you should get is 129.63 centimeters squared to 2 decimal places. Okay. What I'd like you to do now is pick 2 questions from each section and have a go at them. Once you have done, please take a picture and upload to ClassCharts.